Number 1. Welcome to the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless. This is an amazing gaming keyboard designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. The Apex Pro TKL Wireless is a full-sized keyboard that has been designed with a compact design that allows for easy portability and storage. It has a full 10-key numeric pad and an enhanced macro system that allows you to customize your gaming experience. The wireless connection is reliable and has a range of up to 10 meters, so you can use it in any room of your house. The Apex Pro TKL Wireless also features RGB lighting that is fully customizable, so you can make the keyboard look the way you want it. The lighting can be changed to match your gaming setup or just to create a unique look. You can also use the SteelSeries engine software to further customize the key bindings and macros to create a setup that works for you. The Apex Pro TKL Wireless also has a low-profile mechanical switch that is designed to be fast and responsive. The keys have a low actuation point, which means you won't have... Number 2. Welcome to Corsair Gaming. The best gaming peripherals just got better with the new Corsair K100 Air Wireless. The K100 Air Wireless boasts a powerful 32,000 dpi optical sensor, adjustable in increments of 1 dpi, and its 8 programmable buttons give you the precision to master any game. The K100 Air Wireless is designed for pro-level performance and ultimate comfort, with a removable ergonomic palm rest and comfortable, textured rubber side grips. Plus, you can customize the RGB lighting on the K100 Air Wireless with millions of color combinations and match it to your gaming setup. This mouse features 8 programmable buttons, and you can also store up to 5 profiles in onboard memory to take your settings with you wherever you go. The included iQ software makes it easy to customize your K100 Air Wireless, including RGB lighting. Number 3. The Keychron Q1 Pro is the perfect wireless keyboard for your desk setup. This ultra-sleek and ultra-slim keyboard is designed for both working and gaming, and it even has a hot swappable switch option, so you can customize your keyboard to your preferences. The Q1 Pro is a 75-key wireless keyboard featuring Gateron low-profile switches, a 4,000 mAh built-in battery, and an aluminum frame. The backlighting of this keyboard is adjustable with 11 levels of brightness and has multiple backlighting modes, including a breathing mode, to help you customize your environment. The Q1 Pro also comes with 6 programmable macro keys, allowing you to customize your gaming experience. The Q1 Pro is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Mac, Windows, and Android, and it works with Bluetooth 5.1, so you can easily switch between devices. The Q1 Pro is perfect for gamers, professionals, and anyone looking for a reliable and stylish keyboard. Number 4. The Logitech MX Mechanical is the perfect companion for the serious gamer or typist. This keyboard combines the best of both worlds with its lightweight mechanical switches and laser-etched keycaps that are both comfortable and durable. This keyboard is also packed with features including programmable macros and an extra-large wrist rest that helps keep your hands comfortable. The MX Mechanical also features Logitech's advanced Roamer G mechanical switch technology. This technology provides a fast and precise typing experience with an actuation point of 1.5 mm and a total travel distance of 3.2 mm. The switches are also rated for up to 70 million keystrokes. With this level of durability, you can be sure that your keyboard will last for years. The MX Mechanical also has a wide variety of customization options. You can program macros, customize lighting, and even... Number 5. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Nuphy Halo96. Here, you will be able to watch and learn more about the Nuphy Halo96. The Nuphy Halo96 is a revolutionary new product that allows you to experience a new level of gaming. With the Nuphy Halo96, you can now explore virtual landscapes and experience intense battles in stunning 3D. The Nuphy Halo96 is the perfect choice for any gamer who wants to take their gaming experience to the next level. The Nuphy Halo96 is powered by advanced AI technology and is packed with features that make it the ideal gaming system. It supports the latest graphics, sound, and hardware technologies for an immersive gaming experience. The Nuphy Halo96 also features a wireless controller and headset to provide you with the complete gaming experience. The Nuphy Halo96 is designed to be easy to use and allows you to play your favorite games with ease. With its intuitive user interface, you can quickly navigate menus and access all of your favorite games. The Nuphy Halo96 is the perfect choice for any gamer who wants to take their gaming experience to the next level.